In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain to Hostinger with ease. Whether you're new to domain management or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you understand each part of the transfer. Let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll need to visit Hostinger's website. Once there, log into your account. If you don't have an account already, you'll need to create one, which is a simple process involving your email address and a secure password. After logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard. It's a hub where you can manage all your hosting, domain, and other related needs. Now that you're on the dashboard, look for the Domains tab. It's typically located at the top of the page within the main navigation menu. Clicking on this tab will direct you to the domain section of your Hostinger account, where you can see an overview of all the domains you're managing. Once you're in the domain section, you will see a list of your registered domains. Here, you'll want to locate the specific domain you wish to transfer. Each domain in the list will have a Manage button associated with it. Click on Manage next to the domain you are transferring. This will open the domain management options. With the domain management options open, keep an eye out for the Move button. This button is specifically designed to facilitate the transfer process to another host or registrar. Clicking on Move will initiate the transfer process within Hostinger. Now, during the transfer process, you'll be prompted to enter an authorization code. This is a unique code that you can obtain from your current domain registrar. For security reasons and to confirm the legitimacy of the transfer, registrars require this code before proceeding. Make sure you've requested and received this code beforehand. After entering the authorization code, follow any additional on-screen prompts to finalize the transfer. Each registrar might have slightly different procedures, but Hostinger will walk you through any remaining steps. Ensure all your contact information is up to date, as you may need to verify some details during the process. And there you have it. Once these steps are completed, your domain will begin transferring to Hostinger. This process can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days, depending on your current registrar and how they handle domain transfers. In conclusion, transferring a domain to Hostinger is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. Just make sure to double check all the details along the way, and you should be ready to go with your new hosting setup. Thanks for tuning in, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below.